Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make saltwater taffy. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth process. We'll start by combining the basic components, then move on to the cooking phase. The key to great taffy is precise temperature control and proper cooling. Finally, we'll explore the fun and essential pulling technique that gives taffy its signature texture. Get ready to create a delightful treat. To begin, measure out 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. These form the base of your taffy. Next, have 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and your desired flavoring ready. A heavy-bottomed saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer are essential tools. Don't forget to generously grease a baking sheet or marble slab. This is where your hot taffy mixture will cool. Combine the sugar, corn syrup, water, and salt in your saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring to prevent crystallization. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches precisely 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately pour the hot, syrupy mixture onto your prepared greased baking sheet or marble slab. Allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's cool enough to handle. When the taffy is cool enough to touch, grease your hands well and begin the pulling process. Stretch the taffy out, fold it back on itself, and repeat this motion. This action incorporates air, making the taffy lighter and chewier. Continue pulling for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the taffy becomes opaque and holds its shape. Finally, cut the long rope of taffy into 1-inch pieces and individually wrap each piece in wax paper to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.